Hey guys, in today's news update I want to talk about a type of high blood pressure that's really bad specifically for seniors. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. This is Arnold Broad here for Healthy at 60 Plus. Now let's see what we have today. Blood pressure measurements fall into four general categories. The first, and where you want to be, is normal blood pressure. And your blood pressure is normal if it's below 120/80. And the next category is elevated blood pressure. An elevated blood pressure is when the upper number, the systolic number, ranging from 120 to 129, and the lower number, the diastolic number, is below 80. Unfortunately, elevated blood pressure tends to get worse over time unless steps are taken to control it. And the next category is stage 1 hypertension. Stage 1 hypertension is when the upper number, the systolic pressure, ranges from 130 to 139, or the lower number, the diastolic pressure, ranges from 80 to 89. And the last level is stage 2 hypertension. More severe hypertension, stage 2 hypertension, is when the upper number, the systolic pressure, is greater than 140, or the lower number, the diastolic pressure, is greater than 90. Now, generally speaking, both numbers in the blood pressure reading are important. But after age 50, the upper number, the systolic reading, is even more insignificant. A condition called isolated systolic hypertension is a condition in which the lower number is normal, it's less than 80, but the upper number, the systolic pressure, is high, it's greater than or equal to 130. Now, this is a common type of high blood pressure, especially among people older than 65. Changing your lifestyle can go a long way towards controlling high blood pressure. And some of the methods are eating a heart-healthy diet with less salt, getting regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight or losing weight if you're overweight or obese, limiting the amount of alcohol you drink, and adding quality supplements. And that's it. Simple changes, but they are life-saving. If you'd like to learn about the supplement that I take that keeps my blood pressure around 120/70, then just click the link below this video to see my blood pressure repair page. If you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. And to be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. And to view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the two videos above. Again, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.